All right, so today we're going to take a look at this P10 frame replacement. So I have a travel CPAP that I wanted to have a separate kit for, and I didn't want to move my things back and forth. Okay, so first of all, with the hose, I feel like the ResMed one is a little bit spongier, and this is maybe a little bit harder, maybe a little bit thinner too. You can see the two plastics. It's definitely different. You know, I feel like this plastic is a little bit harder, maybe. It feels a little more dense. Feels a little bit lighter. And let's see the tube length. The tube length, this one, the replacement is shorter. But that's not a big deal because the big tube is long. Okay, and this strap has not been installed yet. We'll look at that in a little bit. Let's compare the baffles, or whatever you want to call these, the mesh right here. Oh, you can see this mesh, it looks, let me take this out. Like this is a little bit dirtier, you know, I've used it. Maybe the plastic's a hair thinner on this one. Okay, but let's see how well the nose things fit. It fits well. I don't see any issues with that. Should be fine. Okay. Let's get the strap in. So the straps seem pretty similar material. Stretchy stuff. The colors look very similar. Material itself, I mean, it seems very similar. It's got the tightening little peg things. I don't know what you would call those. I think it goes on very similar. Okay. Let's see. Well, the elasticity feels a little bit stronger in the ResMed. Well, it does feel a little bit weaker. And again, you could adjust it using these little things. But if you don't need it, you don't need it. Okay. The ResMed does click on a little tighter. You see, clicks on, and there's really no give. This clicks on, and you can't hear it, but I can feel it. There's a slight give, just a slight, but I think it should be fine. I don't think it'll be a problem. All right. So I'll try it out. All right, I used it last night. I didn't feel any difference with the OEM one or the aftermarket one. So it's good. I think it's a good value replacement.